Welcome to day 13 of our 101 Days of Data Science series. Today we delve into data cleaning techniques, a crucial step in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of your data analysis. Let's explore how clean data leads to better insights. Data cleaning involves removing duplicates, correcting errors, and detecting outliers. Duplicates can skew your analysis by over-representing certain data points. By eliminating these, you ensure a more balanced and accurate data set for your models. Errors in data, such as typos or inconsistent formats, can distort your results. Correcting these errors often requires standardizing data formats and fixing inaccurate values. This process helps maintain the integrity of your analysis. Outliers are extreme values that can significantly affect your data interpretation. While some outliers are valid, others may result from errors or irrelevant circumstances. Detecting and handling outliers is essential for accurate analysis. Let's consider a practical example using Python. The drop duplicates function removes rows with the same values across all columns. In this case, there's a duplicate row where Alice appears twice with the same age and salary, so the second of the duplicate rows will be dropped, the resulting data being stored in a new data frame with no duplicates. Next, we will replace any age value greater than 100 with none, as such ages are unrealistic. In the example, Eve is 120 years old, so this age will be replaced with none. Finally, missing salary values are filled with the mean salary from the available data. These simple steps significantly enhance the quality of the original data set. Clean data forms the foundation of any reliable data analysis. By removing duplicates, fixing errors, and handling outliers, you ensure your models are based on accurate information, leading to better predictions and insights. Join us tomorrow for day 14, where we'll explore data transformation techniques. We'll cover scaling, normalization, and encoding, which are essential steps for preparing data for analysis and machine learning models.